put it in here like that, and then slowly lower it down. These keys, I've got a couple of a plus, a backspace, a 0, and a plus, and they fit kind of nicely right here. So I can just like block that off like that. And that kind of makes everything match this a little bit more because they're just hanging. That E6000 is going to hang on to everything. Okay, now I'm done. I'm pretty sure I'm done. See, there's that flats, all these flats are, okay, never mind, I'm done. I'm not interested in painting this a ton. Just probably leave this the way that it is. I mean, some red, nothing to really detract from the princess herself. So I'm actually gonna dirty this up. This is oil wash, as per usual. One thing I don't have that I need to get more of is cotton balls to wipe this stuff back off. It adds a whole level of who cares what happened here. It's just dirty. I gotta hit the brush towards the bottom of the bottle, pick up some of that pigment. It sinks fast. It's actually pretty thin, so you can see it collecting on the bottom. So maybe just leave it dry like that. I mean, like I said, it doesn't have to be spectacular. Not this one. It's just the stand.